Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix no sound on SteamVR. This will be an easy step-by-step guide, so follow along. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. Just before we begin, make sure that your audio is currently on the default device for your VR. So for example, you under the output section, you choose your VR headset name such as HTC Vive, Oculus, virtual audio device, or index, or etc. etc. So to check on that, right click on your speaker icon on the bottom right corner, click sounds. This window will pop up as you can see. Go to playback and make your VR device as default device. Just go ahead and right click on it. Let's do this for example. Right click on it and set as default device. As you can see, this is my current headset and it is currently my default device and it's currently working fine for me. Now, if you do not find your headset here, make sure that it is currently plugged into the right plug and it is plugged in properly. But if it is plugged in properly, just go ahead and right click on an empty space right over here and make sure you check on show disabled device and show disconnected devices to pop up here, and then set default device and restart your VR game. Now, if any of those doesn't work, open up your SteamVR app window on your computer and select settings. Basically, just go ahead and go to your audio tab and set your VR headset as default. Change audio mirroring option if you want to sound play on both of your desktop and headset. Basically, that's all for this video. And okay, one last thing, just go ahead and right click on your sound once more, open volume mixer, and over here make sure that all for your headset and your game or wherever you're using your VR for is on the same tune as your device right over here. Basically, that's all for this video and that's all the things that you need to check. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like if you do. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.